I will do a reverse flower tip today, my technique that I love to do and a lot of you love to see me doing too. So I will use black for my base, and I have some Art Creations King's Blue. It's more like a purplish, I don't know. And I have Ultramarine Blue by Amsterdam, Ultramarine Violet Light by Amsterdam, and Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. And of course my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with, okay, this will be better, Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with titanium white and my pouring medium, and this is the consistency, maybe not the right one. This is my pearl white. And I will use flower shaped cup for create a flower and a napkin to make it more kind of abstract and soft looking, or how can I say. So I will start with my base coat, that it's Oxide Black by Amsterdam, and I leave it the same consistency, maybe not the best idea. I will just tilt it back to the cup and I will be right back. So my paints are down. I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up. And I will teach this technique in Dublin in a little more than a week, 2 weeks. It's close. And in Washington, DC. So if you want to learn this technique and help you, that I help you in person, holding the napkin and everything, you can come paint with me on Fab event. All the details are in the description and on fluidartboutique.com website also. So come paint with me. We will have some fun, I promise. Okay, enough talking. And let's send some good vibes that I will lift it up nicely, because it's important. And after all these years, sometimes I don't do it quite nicely, so let's hope. I can already see that I made a big mess. Yeah. But it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and I think that this one expects some light spin. Love the colors and everything, but I just didn't lift it perfectly. So it's imperfect, but it's okay. Imperfect, it's okay too, isn't it? Especially in fluid art, because you can't predict all. Maybe I should turn off my lights. Maybe it's enough. Yeah, it is. Yeah. And I love that I added that black between two layers, because it gives a little depth here, I believe. See, it's not a perfect one, but you can hardly find the perfect shaped flower in nature too, so yeah, I love it. I definitely didn't do the perfect lift, you see, after all this time. Okay, thanks for watching, and check out Fluid Art Boutique.